Hi, welcome to the new video. In this video, we will solve two linear equations x plus y equals 20 and x times y equals 40. We have to find the value of x and y. We will start the solution by letting first equation as equation 1 and second equation as equation 2. So we'll start the solution of this question. We will take first equation x plus y equals 20. We will subtract x on both sides. We get y equals 20 minus x. So we will put this value of y 20 minus x in our second equation, which is xy equals 40. So it will becomes x into y. What is y? Y is 20 minus x. So it will be x times 20 minus x equals 40. So x into 20 is 20x minus x square equals 40. We will rearrange this equation and it will be minus x square plus 20x, and this 40 will here subtract minus 40 equals 0. Now we will multiply the both sides of the equation by minus 1. We get x square minus 20x plus 40 equals 0. So here it will be seen that this is a quadratic equation, which is basically ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. By comparing, now we will put these values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula. X equals plus 20 plus minus square root of what is b minus 20 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 40 all over 2 into a is 1, 2 into 1. So x will be equals to 20 plus minus 20 square is 400 minus 4 into 40 is 160 all over 2. In the next step, x equals now we will use this value of x1 to find the value of y1. We will put this value of x1 in equation 3. above. Here is y equals 20 minus x. This is equation 3. We will get y1 equals 20 minus x1. So y1 equals 20 minus, what is x1? 10 plus 2 times square root of 15. So y1 will be equal to 10 minus 2 times square root of 15. Now we will use the same method to find y2. y2 will be equals to 20 minus x2, but what is x2? 10 minus 2 times square root of 15.